Magandang gabi sa lahat. Good evening everyone all over the world. Selamat malam semuanya. Greetings from Indonesia. Welcome to 1 Minute Talk with Guru Marsan. Saturday night, so I think it is better for us to have a simple relaxation or to pamper ourselves a bit. And isa sa pinakamagandang paraan para tayo ay ma-relax ay makipagkwentuhan. Tonight we will be talking about an important topic or issue. Lahat ay halos makaka-relate. And the topic is decision making. And what are the things you usually consider in making decision? I would like to hear your opinions about this matter. And please don't hesitate to comment your opinions in the comment section below.